What if the crystals in your home could change how your space feels every day? Welcome back to Contain Your Life. Today, we're exploring crystals and Feng Shui together. Crystals are natural minerals formed deep inside the earth. They grow in repeating patterns that are called crystal structures. These structures give crystals their unique appearance. Science studies their physical properties like hardness and light reflection. Many people also use crystals as symbols for intention and mindfulness. Feng Shui is the ancient practice of arranging spaces to support positive energy. In Feng Shui, everything in a room influences how energy flows. Crystals represent the earth element. The earth element brings grounding and stability. Let's start at the front door. The entryway sets the tone for your entire home. Clear quartz is often placed near entrances. It symbolizes clarity and fresh energy. Even visually, clear quartz brightens a space. In the living room, amethyst is very popular. Its purple color is linked to calm and reflection. People often use it to encourage relaxation. Natural objects can help create a peaceful atmosphere. Now, let's move to the bedroom. Rose quartz is known as the stone of love and harmony. Many place it on nightstands or dressers. Soft pink tones make a room feel warm and gentle. In Feng Shui, pears symbolize balance in relationships. For a workspace, citrine is a favorite crystal. It is often associated with motivation and confidence. Its golden color feels energizing and uplifting. Many people place citrine near their desk. Black tourmaline is used for grounding energy. It's often placed near electronics or doorways. Some believe it helps create emotional boundaries. Even as decor, darker stones add visual balance. Now let's talk about placement using the Feng Shui Bagua map. This map divides your home into energy areas. The southeast area relates to wealth and abundance. Citrine or pyrite are commonly placed there. The southwest area relates to relationships. Rose quartz fits naturally in this zone. The north area connects to career and life path. Clear quartz or darker stones are often used there. You don't need dozens of crystals. One or two meaningful pieces are enough. Feng Shui focuses on intention over quantity. Keep your crystals clean and dust-free. Treat them like meaningful decor items. The real power comes from how they remind you to pause. A crystal can become a daily anchor for calm thinking. Try a simple experiment this week. Choose one crystal you're drawn to. Place it somewhere you spend time every day. Notice how the space feels over the next few days. Small changes in environment can shift mindset. Crystals are not magic solutions. They are tools for intention and awareness. Creating a peaceful home starts with mindful choices. If you enjoyed this guide, let me know which crystal you use, or tell me which one you're curious about next. And if you're building a calmer, clutter-free life after 50, you're in the right place. I'll see you in the next video.